What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a transformation video. This is my 2010 Kawasaki Ultra 260X and it's a little bit rough, but we are going to turn it in a brand new ski. Well guys, I've been trying to do this, but as you can see it's really hard. And I just bought this. This tool is to take all the graphic stickers out from the paint and doesn't leave a scratch. So I'm gonna be trying this now. Well guys, now as you can see, the jet ski is already sanded up. I sanded up with the 1000 and then 2000 grit. All the jet ski is sanded. Now I'm gonna be taking care of all the scratches. You can see here there are a lot of scratches that are white. I'm gonna be touch-up painting with the Duplicolor Perfect Match. This is a black paint, basic black paint. I'm gonna be spraying paint here and using a paper towel, dip it here in the paint and touch-up paint it all the scratches from the jet ski. You have a few here and there. You can see it's a lot of marks here, and the jet ski is black, so every white dot is gonna show up. So now I'm gonna be doing this. Shake the can really well. Spray paint here. So you have enough paint here in the cup so you can dip the paper towel in paint and touch up all the scratches. You can see. You have to try to feel the gap, because then I come with the sandpaper again, sand that scratch, and then polish it out, and you will never notice that it was there. You can see they are almost disappearing. You have to do a few touch-ups. You're not gonna get it in the first time, but you try. Okay, we are finished with the sanding and everything. I already touched up all the nicks and dings, and now we're gonna be polishing the surface as it's gonna look like a mirror. You see this? But we cannot. I sand everything, but we cannot get rid of this mess. But we are gonna be doing some stickers. We're gonna be doing the registration, instead of putting it here, we're gonna be putting it here so we can cover these two-tone here in the hood, and we're gonna be doing these stickers. This is the only stickers that we have to do to the ski because we have a IP what? IPD sticker kit that's gonna be covering all the rest of the ski. So this is the only stickers that Valerie is gonna fabricate. She's gonna be doing it on the creek cut. So yeah, I'm gonna be polishing. We're gonna start right now. Look how it shines, guys. The shine is amazing. This ski is only 36 hours, so it's practically new. Now I'm gonna be heading to the sticker room, but it is there working with that. I'm gonna show you what she's doing. This is the sticker room. As I told you, Valerie is working on the stickers that we're gonna be putting on the ski. And it's too many pieces. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to see if we can install some of these stickers. This is a kit that I bought a while ago for another ski, and we haven't used it. But now I'm going to see if I can use it in this ski. everything perfect. The only thing is the supercharger it has a bearing that is bad, and I'm gonna take it out and fix it. That's the rattle noise that you hear there. But that's it. The ski is really good. You can see it turned out really awesome. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like the transformation. So remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one.